All right, welcome back to Mr. T's Bees. I am back. I've been away from YouTube for a while for a couple reasons. I did get hurt at the end of last season, and so I couldn't do bees anymore. And something I had to think about because I had my two sons, and thankfully I had them there because they helped me winterize and get everything done for the winter. So we're out of winter, I'm back, and this is one of my splits from last year. I'm out at the new farm. Anybody who's new to my channel, I do single brood chambers, and hold on a second, there we go. And even though it's not a single brood chamber right now, but look at that. Whew, beautiful. Anyway, so this is one of my splits from last year. And they did so well. I like to winter my production hives in a deep and a medium. And these girls have gotten that far along where they could use the space. That's how big they were going into the winter. So here we are. It is, I don't think I said the date. Today's April 14th. And I'm just gonna take a quick peek. This is the second time, I do believe, I've been in this hive this year. I came through, I'll have to look at the top of I came through, I do believe, on the 1st of April in that area time frame. And I did a quick check. I want to make sure that we were queen right. And look at the nectar. Make sure they were doing okay. See if they need anything. I was given pollen patties. They had fondant just to keep them busy. That is all pollen, but they are they're bringing in a lot right now. We're just getting, the maple trees are bloomed. We're just getting dandelions in a few small areas. For where I am on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Oh, look at that. We have drone brood already. Look at this. So something you can do early in the season. Really, drones aren't that, not going to be doing any splits soon. Not that they would be from this, but you can see if you have any varroa mites. That's 2, I don't see anything. I know this channel, I try not to do things like this because it drives people crazy. But early, oh, there's a bee emerging right there. Right there. I can follow my finger. Can't tell because you're in the sun. But there's a bee coming out right there. But anyways, you can take a quick peek. If you're seeing varroa on your brood right there, the drone brood, you might think about doing a mite check, which I don't do on my channel, just because everybody complains about it. So anyways, I'm not here for to argue with people. Everybody has their beliefs, so I just don't do it on camera anymore. But so anyways, we are back. I am out at my new farm. I'm trying to see if I just heard somebody. But we are looking at that. That is, I mean, we're talking middle of April. We really haven't had a flow yet. Look at the drone brood already. I should start looking for cups. But look at her go. So this is a hive that I split, or I made a split off of. I would say probably late, middle of June, probably the end of June. This is I didn't move everybody over here until later. I got this farm late in the season, so I didn't have a full season here. There's a cup right there. There's another cup right there. Yeah, we're looking at full sheets of brood. So right now it's not a single brood chamber. Looking for my girl. Right now it's not a single brood chamber, and probably pretty soon, from the looks of it, I will be moving her down below. Look at the cups. Look at you girls. You guys are something. I got a peek. Oh, sorry, you're in my face. So I'll move her down, put the queen excluder on. All this will hatch out. And also I'll be probably adding another honey super on this. So I got to start looking at what they have for stores here. I'm getting plenty of, oh, there's some, they have it in the corners. Look at the drone brood. This little lady's on fire. So, that's it. Oh, looks good, girls. Looks very good. It's about 55 degrees here, no wind. I'm tucked out in the back corner of the farm, so that's why I love this place. Tons of pollen, and you can see right in here, it's a very light yellow. And then there's a little bit of white in there too. I'm not quite sure what that was from, but I don't see her. All right, so that's this is one of my good hives, strong hives coming out. I rated this one an A 2 weeks ago for a good reason. So that's Nectar. So we have a frame of Nectar here. I know the maples, like I said, maples at my house, dandelions maybe, I know the crocuses and everything else. All right, I don't see you, little ladies. All right, let me just check to see what's on the end. I do have frames of honey. Okay, we got honey right there. This feels heavy, so you can see they're getting it right in there. I'm not quite sure the sun angle is going to show, but that's the top. So we're well on our way. These girls are doing really well. And that's it. Looks good. Yeah, it's been a long winter. I feel like it's been forever because I haven't, like I said, I got hurt last year, and something I never expected in beekeeping was to not be able to take care of my hives going into winter. And so luckily I had to count on my boys. Got it done. Things look like they did very well. All right, let's see. Come on, get in there. So I'm going to take a peek down below, see if we can find her down below. They're chomping right through that pollen patty. Okay. All right. Nice. There we are. Like I said, April 14th. Here we are. Oop, adjust that. You see what I'm seeing? Oh, you're flying in my face. I did something wrong. So yeah, this is I would say usually for me on the Cape, I'm not doing splits till earliest middle of May, mid to late May. But this is definitely probably going to be a contender. Definitely going to need a box here pretty soon. Let me see what we have in the bottom. If these are all empty, then I won't be that concerned. Oh yeah. So this is all pollen and nectar in the corners. So they are definitely getting enough nectar. I'm not worried about them just yet. I don't see any brood. What do I see in the bottom? The bottom's clean. Girls, nicely done. I haven't done anything to clean their hives yet. So it's nice to see that when you go through winter and you look at the bottom boards, they're nice and clean. All right, so this seems like it's all pollen with a little bit of brood right there. So she is down here too. The other thing I won't do, and you gotta watch out for, when you go to make it a single brood chamber, you gotta make sure that there's brood down the bottom and in the top. Because if you move the queen down and there's no brood in the bottom, all the bees are gonna be up top and covering the brood at night. All right, there's plenty of brood down here. Look at you go. Very strong hive. Where are you, little lady? Look at the brood. You guys are on fire. This is good. That's a pea green. Look at the pollen right here. It's pea green pea soup green, sorry. Let me finish that. Oh, this is heavy. Look at all the pollen on the bees right here. Look at all that pollen. All right, where are you? Where's my girl? Yeah, so this is, you saw how many frames are up top. They're gonna be getting, we're gonna be adding a box in a week. So this is already a contender for another box. I'll probably take a peek at it today. Oh yeah, look at you go. Look at you go. Where are you? Whatever, they're such bright yellow. It's got to be the dandelions that they're literally covered. Their whole bodies are covered. All right, watch out. Oop, okay, all right. You guys are doing so good. I know. I only got a couple more frames. A couple more. On my hand. And there she is. There's my girl. Beautiful blue dot. Right there. So most of my queens, let me see her again. What did I do? There you are. Most of my queens look like that. Or they're darker and they have a dark ring, a couple dark rings in the bottom. But any of you who've been following me last year, for the first time ever, I got an all black queen out of one of my splits. So pretty psyched about that. So we're doing good. This is pretty much what most of my hives look like. I think I'm gonna try to do one of my Nucs coming out of winter. Show you one of those so you get an idea of what I'm up to. Put this back together. That's it. Oh yeah, nicely done, ladies. Nicely done. Drone brood. We got it all. We're well on our way. So that's it. I'm glad to be back. Thank you for everybody for watching.